Vinfast V8 and V9, everything you need to know. The first high-volume Vietnamese automaker is Vinfast, but the company is about to adopt a new strategy after 2022. Vinfast will only produce electric vehicles. A possible IPO in 2023 is the reason they are traveling to the United States. For today's video, we will be talking about Vinfast V8 and V9. Interested to know what these cars are? Just keep on watching. What is Vinfast? Vinfast is a Vietnamese automaker that was established in 2017. Vinfast is Vietnam's first global automaker. Why is it called Vinfast? First of all, the name Vin is compatible with Vingroup as a whole, which also includes the divisions VinSchool, VinHomes, VinBus, and even VinBrain, which informed you of Vingroup's size. Anyhow, the Fast in Vinfast is an acronym whose letters roughly translate to style, safety, creativity, and pioneering in Vietnamese. Who is behind Vinfast? Even though Vinfast is a young company, it is a part of Vingroup, a much larger conglomerate. Vingroup, which Pham Nhat Vuong founded in 1993, is very significant in Vietnam. There, the economy includes everything from constructing homes and schools to improving healthcare. And that's only the beginning. Additionally, it offers leisure, recreational, and academic products and services. The conglomerate operates resorts with its own theme parks and recently built a cutting-edge university outside of Hanoi. Pham, the richest person in Vietnam, began his career by selling dried noodles. He is now a millionaire. In its homeland, Vinfast debuted its first automobiles in 2019. The cars are based on current models, including an SUV and a sedan using BMW architecture. The business is now quickly shifting to electric vehicles or EVs. This year, it intends to stop making gas-powered vehicles and focus solely on electric vehicles. Two electric SUVs, the bigger 3-row Vinfast VF9 and the smaller 5-passenger Vinfast VF8 are the first to be released in the United States. Around the end of the year, they are expected to arrive in the United States. Where are Vinfast cars made? For the time being, Vinfast manufactures its vehicles in Vietnam. We had the opportunity to tour Vinfast facilities, and they truly are cutting edge. They were also created from scratch in less than 2 years, making them practically brand new. And what appears to be only the beginning are its contemporary factories in Vietnam. The business just revealed a $2 billion investment at a facility in North Carolina. Vinfast will then be able to produce automobiles here in the United States. Vinfast will start with 2 cars confirmed from the American market, the VF8 and the VF9. VF8. The Vinfast VF8 will be a 5-seater mid-size SUV. It will offer Eco 348 horsepower and Plus 402 horsepower versions. Both Eco and Plus versions will come with standard range and enhanced range battery packs. The range will be 248 and 292 miles on the WLTP scale, depending on the configuration. That will probably be significantly less by the EPA standard. Vinfast says the VF8 will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds, come with standard dual-motor AWD and start at $40,700. VF9. The Vinfast VF9 will be a full-sized SUV with up to 7 seats. It will offer Eco and Plus versions with 402 horsepower and standard and enhanced range of each. Vinfast estimates the range will be between 262 and 360 miles under the WLTP scale depending on the configuration. The VF9 will accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds and start at $55,500. Are Vinfast's cars any good? There is a limited opportunity to test drive a very early production VF8. The limited experience suggests that automobiles are competitive and well built. Additional fine-tuning was required, particularly for the first throttle application, although these are rather simple modulations. The VF8 and VF9 are also fashionable. On the models, Vinfast collaborated with renowned Italian design firm Pininfarina. Pininfarina was excellent enough for Ferrari. It will undoubtedly be excellent enough for this new automaker. Will Vinfast succeed? Vietnam takes great pleasure in Vinfast automobiles, which are already well liked and sought after there. Given that Vinfast is still getting off the ground in the United States, its long-term success is still up in the air. However, Vinfast is currently seen to be a significant player. The business claims to have 55,000 reservations for its EVs worldwide, but it hasn't specified how many are from the United States. Anecdotally, there were several Americans and Canadian clients who had made deposits on multiple Vinfast automobiles and had been welcomed by the firm as VIPs while on our journey with Vinfast to Vietnam. So, do you find Vinfast cars good? And do you consider it one of the best cars? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!